Are you looking to get started with Navan? In this quick Navan explanation, I'll walk you through the essential steps and key features to help you make the most of this powerful tool. Navan is a software designed to streamline business travel, focusing on expense management, flight bookings, and team coordination. If you're new to Navan, you might be wondering how to navigate its interface and maximize its potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to get started with Navan, so stay tuned. Now, let's dive into how to get started with Navan. First things first, if you're new to the software, don't worry. You can sign up and use Navan for free through the link in the description below, and we've secured exclusive bonuses for you, making this an even better deal. Stick around till the end and I'll reveal how you can take advantage of our extended free trial. Once you're logged into Navan, you'll be greeted by a simple dashboard. From here, you can access all the core features that help manage your company's travel and expenses. One of the first things you'll want to do is set up your account preferences. Navan allows you to tailor the system to your needs by setting budgets, travel policies, and the team members who will be using the platform. Setting up this structure is key to ensuring everything runs smoothly from the start. Navan's flight booking feature is one of the most powerful tools. You can quickly compare flights, book tickets, and manage itineraries. The software works with your company's travel policy to recommend the most cost-effective options. This takes the hassle out of booking flights for your team while keeping costs in check. The expense management feature is another highlight of Navan. It simplifies the process of tracking and approving expenses by automatically capturing receipts and categorizing them. This integration saves time and reduces errors. You can easily set approval workflows and monitor expenditures in real time. It's an ideal solution for businesses looking to keep their travel expenses under control without the administrative burden. Another feature worth noting is the team collaboration aspect. You can easily create groups within Navan, making it easy to assign travel tasks and track team members' progress. Whether you're booking flights or coordinating travel logistics, the collaboration tools make it easy to stay on the same page. Plus, Navan integrates with other tools like Slack and Google Calendar, allowing for seamless communication. You'll also want to explore Navan's reporting tools. They provide detailed insights into travel expenses and trends, allowing you to analyze spending patterns. These reports help you make data-driven decisions about future travel and budgeting. And with Navan's analytics tools, you'll get a clearer picture of your company's travel spending. As you start using Navan, be sure to explore its mobile app. It's available on both iOS and Android, and it provides access to all of Navan's core features on the go. From booking flights to submitting expenses, you can do it all from your phone, making travel management more flexible than ever. Now that you've got a basic understanding of how to get started with Navan, remember that there are many resources available to help you master the platform. The Navan support team is always available, and they offer detailed tutorials and guides on everything from setting up your account to advanced features. So if you're ready to take your company's travel management to the next level, don't wait. Use the link below to sign up for Navan and get started for free. And remember, our exclusive bonuses come with an extended free trial, so you can experience everything Navan has to offer at no cost. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know if you have any questions.